No.
Dylan, come on. Go out here, man. Hey, whoa.
Hey, go blow up.
Hey, Dylan.
Hey, you told you to put me under arrest? That's a straight.
Buddy, you're not going to go under arrest. Don't worry about that.
So you
I promise you.
Yeah, okay.
You're not going to be under arrest.
All right. Yeah.
I promise you.
Thank you very much. True. Regards for yours. Is Tremblay okay? Now he looks normal again. Since I'm mental, it's legal.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't do anything.
Holy crap, that's a lot of pills, man. Those are all the ones you're supposed to take today?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Thank you, Lord. I always want to stand down for myself. I want to say I save my life because I make my life. Boys make me excited. Kim's kind of studying that.
Mm-hmm.
Am I here to like girls? Yeah. That's kind of all you know until you say you jack off and say gay or straight and bisexual. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to take Dylan's word for it. He's here with police. They always came by.
Mm-hmm.
But it wasn't to put under arrest to make sure we're comfortable here. Can you talk to Kimberly for me and then just ask him if he's insane because I didn't do anything innocent?
I will talk to him.
All right.
Can you do me a favor?
Yes, sir.
Can we come out of this room? Can we go out of this room?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll tell you why.
No. Actually, it's safe here, but
I don't like this room. Here's why.
Okay.
You got all sorts of knives and other paraphernalia lying around here. It's making me a little bit nervous, to be honest with you. It's kind of scaring me.
Too.
It's kind of scaring me a little bit.
Uh-huh.
If we could go out of here, it'd make me feel way better, to be honest with you, buddy.
I don't think I have to go because I'm innocent, and then that's illegal to kidnap someone. Why would you kidnap me?
Buddy, we're not going to go anywhere. I'm just saying, can we just
Come
walk
on,
out of this
what am I
room?
thinking?
Can we go back in the living room? Is that okay?
No, I don't think I allow that.
Dylan, please, buddy. You've been so cool just a second ago.
Come on. I
let you touch my badge, man. You remember that? I let you touch my badge.
Yeah.
That was the spirit of honor. You said it yourself.
I know, they just cracked my back on during masking man. Hey, talk to Kimberly, because he's the judge to stand down. If not, he's under arrest. That's all I'm supposed to say. Don't waste gas, and I love you. See? That's all I'm supposed to say.
All right. So can we go out back in the living room, man?
You can, but I'm going to go to sleep because I never called you on anything. Okay? But everything's cool here. And I'll pay you respect officer.
Mm-hmm.
As much as any of those get, I'll get more for you, okay?
Yeah, no, that sounds
all
good, buddy. That
That's
sounds
kind
good.
of how Dylan sounds.
Don't go nowhere, though, okay?
Yeah.
Takes his meds.
Kimberly?
The neighbor to come over and
He
help.
tried to beat me up.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah? Okay. Hey, can we go outside and talk to the ambulance, bro?
Yeah.
Is that cool?
You can.
They're
I'm
here.
gonna go back to sleep.
Can you come with me?
I'm not
Did he
supposed
take
to.
his meds?
He
Hey,
took 'em,
Kimberly,
yeah.
can you stand down and tell him what the Richter scale is? Richter scale ratio. Supposed to say.
I will get the neighbor to come over.
He's going to go with the ambulance. No, the ambulance is already here. He's going to go with the ambulance.
You broke the law. He goes to jail. I'm in court, dude. I'm in
Dylan,
court.
listen, buddy.
Just
We got to go
listen
talk to the ambulance, okay? Can we
You-
go outside and
you
talk
do.
to the
I
ambulance?
don't have to talk to the ambulance.
Dylan, please, buddy. I don't want to.
No, I don't want to do nothing either. Do you see what I'm saying?
Dylan, please, man.
Oh, come on. He's a benefit too.
It would really help me out, man.
Come on, dude. I know, but I'm going to have to talk to you guys after. That's why. If it's serious shit, it is, but if it's just like nothing to fool around with, it not is, right? Because Dylan's being himself. Yeah,
All right, come on over, buddy. Let's go outside. Can we talk to?
No.
Hey, relax. Please. Buddy,
No.
please.
No.
Dylan, come on. Go out here, man. Hey, whoa.
Hey, go blow up.
Hey. Dylan, stop. Dylan,
What was that?
that was a gunshot. Dylan,
What happened?
he grabbed a knife.
Are you okay?
Dylan, listen, buddy. We got to put a tourniquet on your neck, okay? Let me see. You're on your face. It's okay. We got the knife. It's okay. Come here. Watch out for the knife. Come on.
You got gloves?
Yeah, I got a glove on.
Okay.
He cut me a little bit.
Are you okay?
Dylan. But us to be good. That's where we get a couple yeah, they're in my pocket. When you move them away, there's a knife under my foot.